Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is a really great basket of very cheap items this week over at Walgreens. They have delivered yet again. And we're also going to look at a diaper deal at the very end for all of the parents, grandparents, or if you need diapers. First deal we're going to talk about is a sweet one. So these larger packs, they're called Cookie. It's some sort of like crunchy cookie. That's what it's called, by M&M's. They are two for $3.50. Obviously, grabbing two is better than just grabbing one for $2.49, just if you love candy. Now, this is the price until October the 22nd. However, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account until the 13th, account will get back 50% of the purchase of one. A lot of accounts have free. Also, I'm getting a free, it's called the Dove Promises, and it's also on that promotion of two for $3.50. My store doesn't carry the Dove Promises, but maybe your store does. Now, if you might have one of these that you have to use, look, this one's expiring today. It's definitely use it or lose it. Or if you want to throw in $3 of Walgreens cash, you decide what you want to do. Grabbing one of each, that's $3.50. Make sure you're grabbing the right flavors, guys. Either using a $3 register reward or $3 in Walgreens cash, you'll pay 50 cents. Uploaded that to the Fetch Rewards app. One you'll get back 87 cents and the other one you'll get back 100%. So it'll either be free or 87 cents for the two. And of course, those Fetch rebates or your mileage may vary. Definitely look at the bottom of your discoveries page. And if you haven't signed up for this app, oh my gosh, sign up today. Check out the link in the notes. I think you get $2 when you photograph your first receipt. It could be this or a pack of gum you bought last week. It's an amazing app. Now, if you have somebody in your household that is absolutely addicted to these Reese's peanut butter cups, this is a really good price point. You're saving $2.80 on one of these snack size bags. I brought one home today. It's like I brought home a brick of gold for my husband. Use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 49 cents, and you have stuff for the trick-or-treaters, for your office, or if you have a hungry man running around asking for peanut butter cups. Everybody seems to love that combination of peanut butter and chocolate, and my husband does, and so he was so happy about this purchase today. This is when he really loves extreme couponing. Now, if you're looking for some inexpensive toilet paper, I think this is Walgreens' attempt to be like the Charmin 4-pack. It's 17 rolls and 4 megapacks. Figure out that math. They are on a promotion this week of buy one, get one free. So at $4.99, you're basically paying $2.49 for one of these 4-packs. That is some tremendous savings, and you're getting 17 rolls. Figure out that math. But if you wanted to liquidate a couple register rewards, very smart buy. Now, this 4 for $9 on the Downy Tide Simply Pods and the Tide Simply Liquid. That's a really good promotion. Plus, they also gave us some nice digital coupons. So you're going to have to do a little mixy match. Definitely read the verbiage of these two coupons, but make sure you have them loaded. It's a 50 cent off of each. So grabbing a mix for $9, subtracting two 50-cent digitals, that's $1 off. It's $8 for the 4 or $2 per detergent. And it is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash as long as you're not using this in concert with a booster. If you have absolutely no boosters, but you just want some inexpensive stuff, definitely this 20-ouncer of the Palmolive is $2.49. We have a new dollar digital coupon dropping it down to $1.49 for Palmolive. Really great price point. Also the Fabuloso, just a whole host of products, but I kind of keyed into these wipes because I'm like, that's a good price. $2.49, we have that dollar digital that's attaching to the wipes, dropping it down to $1.49, which is a really good price point. Now, just a quick little basket if this might interest you. One Fabuloso, one Palmolive, and then two of the M&M cookie. Obviously, if you can do the Dove Promises and the M&Ms, it's a much better deal, but kind of limited what I could do as I only had the M&Ms at my store. Stacking it with the Fetch Rewards, get 50% back. If you have the free item back, it's obviously a little better, but trying to make a deal out of something. One Fabuloso wipes for $2.49, one Palmolive for $2.49, two of the M&M cookie for $3.50 for a total of $8.48. Subtracting one register reward for $3, along with the $1 for the Palmolive and the $1 for the Fabuloso. I'm also throwing in $3 of Walgreens cash because I'm rich, paying 48 cents plus the tax, getting back 870 points for the Fetch Rewards app for the purchase of the M&M cookies. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay for this as well. It's just a ragtag of little items if you do not have any boosters or if you're like, I don't like the deals this week. This one's pretty good. Let's talk about a deal using this specific booster. Now, I tried to get one to print out of the Catalina machine. This printed out as it's my birthday month, which is 10% back in Walgreens cash when I shop. So, hey, there it is. So what I grabbed for my basket was 3 of the Olays. They're $7 a pop. And when you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. And that Venus razor, just to show you all the tags and all the particulars. Not all the tags were hung, unfortunately, but they are $7 a pop. The Old Spice was tagged, and there it is. And then when you buy 3, you get back a $5 reward. And this morning, this very generous digital coupon popped up, which is a 5 off of 3, and grab 3 like scents or body washes. Do not mix and match, or that 5 off 3 digital coupon will not come off. I also grabbed this little best friend for $11. We have a $4 digital that's attaching, and there's a little method to this madness that when you spend, I believe it's $30 on selected P&G products, you'll get back an extra $6 register reward, and this brings the basket to that cost. And here is that gorgeous little digital coupon. If you used it last week, it's only a one and done, just to note that. Looking at the mathematics for this, 3 of the Olays for $21, 1 Venus for $11, for a total of $32. I have my 5 back when you spend 20 booster loaded, along with the $9 of digital manufacturers melting off right there. I paid $23 with my debit card. I got back $11 in register rewards. I'll show you here in a second, plus $5 in Walgreens cash for spending 20. And then there's a Visa gift card promotion. Spend 20 on Olay and Venus, you get back a $5 Visa gift card. So I'll show you that in a second. So it's basically a $2 haul. However, with that birthday thing, I also got back another $3. So it's like a little free haul for me. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster in concert with this little dealio. And just to show you guys, these are the 2 best friends that printed out the $5 on like any sort of spending 20 on personal care, along with that 6 back for buying the Olay and the Venus. If you go to the site P&G Good every day, and if you go to rebates, there's this one to spend 20, get back 5. And yes, we've hit that threshold after coupons. And Olay and Venus are listed. However, I'll let you guys know that when I try to punch in the UPCs for these products, it's not attaching. So I'm going to have to make a call and probably do it manually with a rep. But there is a bug. This is a new rebate, and I believe it launched on September the 25th. I know a lot of you, get your money. Definitely a $5 Visa gift card. It's the way to go. But for whatever reason, I don't think all the products are programmed in. And I believe Olay and Venus are listed. So they have to list all the products. So you might have to call customer service. And I'm going to have to do that as well on Monday. Second little deal that we have, again, is with this booster. If you have a paper one, by all means, stack. And we're going to grab various pull-up products that are 2 for $21. The third one will ring up 50% of the cost, just to note that, because you're going to be like, well, how is she getting the math? That's how. The third one will bring up for $10.50. And we are all about the tags. As you can see, $10 register reward when you spend 30. Spend is the operative word. And then we had these wonderful digitals that showed up this morning. So extra savings on top of the savings. Pour vous. If you head over to the Fetch Rewards app, we have $1.50 back for the new leaf and $1.50 back for the training ones. So that's an extra $3 back with this amazing app that, yes, you can use coupons with. Okay, so 3 of the pull-ups, we're getting a mixy match of those for $31.50. Have your booster loaded, 5 back when you spend 20. We have $6 of digitals coming off, $25.50. Pay that with your debit card, and then you're getting back $5 of Walgreens cash for the spend 20, get back 5 booster, along with a $10 register reward for buying 30 bucks in Huggies. You're going to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app if you have the same rebates as I and get back 3 bucks for the purchase. It makes it $7 for the 3 or $2.50 per bag. That is an unheard of price. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, because the register reward offer is a spend along with the booster. But what a great deal for some inexpensive diapers. Now, before I skedaddle, we're going to have a quick little giveaway for a Walgreens gift card. So to participate, you got to be a subscriber to my channel. And yes, I do check. So please hit the subscribe button. Tell me where you're from in the comments. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person. And the winner's name will be pinned to the top of this specific video on Friday, October the 7th. It is free to participate, and good luck to all of my wonderful subscribers. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.